Okay, time for number 7. This time we are going to construct a line parallel to a line through a point not on the line. So get in your head a vision of a pair of parallel lines. We're going to wind up with a transversal, and we're going to wind up having corresponding angles being congruent. Okay, so the first step is to construct a line. Again, you don't have to be vertical or horizontal. I'm going to do mine on a slight angle. Remembering a line does indeed have arrows on each end. So we can construct that first. Now, we have our line. Now we need a point that's not on the line. So again, I'm going to just put a point. You can put it above, you can put it below. I'm going to put it right around here. And I'm going to label this point A. So my first step, I need a second point. I need another one down here to work off of on my original line. I'm going to name this one B. Now I'm going to use my compass. I'm going to make a swipe. Once I line it up on point B, I'm going to move my compass. Just going to close it all the way, and I'm going to use the X outside hole. Just going to go up and down. I'm going to make a decent size arc, knowing that eventually I'm going to be needing something over in this area, and I need it to cross my original line. I'm now going to move my compass tool up to point A, and again using the same outside hole, I'm going to make a nice wide swipe, nice good size, and we're just going to move away from that for a moment. Okay, my next step, we have two parts here. First, I'm going to connect line A, point A and point B to create a line. It will be my transversal. Again, remembering that we need nice arrows on the ends. Okay. Indeed, I'm also going to be doing two other things. I'm going to be labeling this intersection here as C. Notice I was really close to A. Could be above A, could have been below A. And I'll label this one over here as D. I'm going to name this one up top here as E. Now I'm going to use my compass tool, and I'm going to put it down on point C. When I do that, now I need to open my compass tool so that I can see point D in the hole of the compass tool. And we're going to make a small swipe down in that direction. Just to make sure I'm going through the hole. Without changing the measurement, I'm going to move my compass tool now up to E. And again, I want to make a small swipe right through my other original swipe that I made before. I'm turning my paper back around here. And now I'm going to label this intersection point. Let's go with F. And now we're going to create our second line. Our original point was A, and our new point is F. Again, remembering it's a line, so it needs to have arrows on either end. And now we can check to see how well we did. And then we'll write our statement. So, my two angles, we should have this angle matching this angle because there are corresponding angles. So if indeed the lines are parallel, these angles should match. So when I measure my first angle, it appears to be about 68 degrees. Measuring my second angle, lining everything up nicely. I'm at about 70 degrees. Okay, so I'm very close. Again, you do not need to be exact when doing these problems, but very close. So 68 and 70 degrees. You don't want to be more than 2 degrees off. Okay, and then last but not least, our nice statements. So this time we have BD is parallel. Remember, it's line BD is parallel to line AF. And line EB is a transversal. So that would be your nice statement. And number 7 is finished.